I'm getting asked about the toxic waste, so let's show how it's made. Just grab some highlighters right out of your stationery section. Pull off the bottom, remove the tube, and don't forget the tip and the top as well. A little bit of juice in there. Add a little bit at a time, see how it looks. For half a bin of water, I've used 6 highlighters, got a really good effect. If you want it to take hold faster, you can always cut those tubes down the middle and squish them out in the water. Just be careful not to get them on your clothes, it does stain. I know this now. The strainer in the liquid is just to make sure that nothing gets sucked up in my little pump. Ah, shoot. And at the end, you just throw in some floaty eyeballs or whatever. Added bonus here, black light will supercharge anything that's glow in the dark. Really make them pop. Happy Halloween. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and check out another video.